Okay guys, so today we'll continue from question number 9 since the last time we have dealt with 1 to number 8. So in this video we are going to do question 9, 10, 11 and 12. So the first question, number 9 here, says find the value of p if 5 is to p is equal to 35 is to 21. So this is a ratio problem. So 5 over p must be equal to 35 over 21. You need to know that is to here mean this division line. Okay, so whenever you have a problem like this, what you need to do is to cross multiply this, and this multiply this. So therefore we are going to say 35p is equal to 5 times 21. So if we divide here by 35, here 35, so 35 here, 35 cancel, so p will be equals to 5 here is 1 times, 5 here is 7 times, and 7 into itself is 1 times, and 7 here is 3 times. So 1 times 3, so p is equals to 3. So the correct option for this question is B. Question number 10. A man's gross salary per month is 360,000. If 15% of his salary is paid as income tax, how much does he receive? So the man is paid 360,000 leons monthly. Fifteen percent of the money, which is 360,000, is paid as income tax. So we have interpreted it as this way. But the last time I told you 15% means 15 over 100 of mean here times 360,000. We are actually finding how much the money that is paid for the income tax. So this here cancel this. So now we have 15 multiplied by that is 600. So definitely this one will be equals to 54,000 leons. So this is the 15%. So how much does the man receive now? Will be 360,000 minus 54,000 leons. So if we subtract this, we're going to have 0, 0, 0. So borrow 1 here and add here, so that goes 10. So 10 minus 4 is 6. And here 5 minus 5 now will be 0. And here we have 3. So the correct answer is A, 306,000. Question number 11. A tank of volume 27,600 centimeter cube can hold 230 containers of water. What volume of water will 110 similar container hold? This is a proportion question, so what we need to do is to write here volume. Right here containers. So on the volume we are told that 27,600 centimeter cube is proportion to 230 containers, and the volume that is proportion to 110 is not given to us. So 110 is proportion, so we say X. Whenever we have a problem like this, what we need to do is to cross multiply X to this, and this multiply this to this, because this is a proportion question. So now we're going to have 230x will be equals to 27,600 multiplied by 110. So we'll divide here by 230 and here by 230. So 230 cancel. We have x here. So this 0 will cancel this 0. So 23 into itself is 1 time, and 23 into 256 is 12 times. And then write the 0 up there. So our x will now be equals to 1200 multiplied by 11. So our x will be equals to 12 times 11 is 132. So add these two zeros. So our x will be equals to 13,200 centimeter cube. So the volume that will hold 110 containers will be 13,200 centimeter cube. So the correct answer for this question will be C. Question number 12. How many cubes, each with size 2 cm, can be packed in a square carton with size 12 cm? Let's put this in picture so we see exactly what we are talking about. So if we have a cube like this one, 2 centimeters by 2 centimeters, and the height 2 centimeters, and we have a large box like this, and also this one is 12 centimeters by 12 centimeters, and the height 12 centimeters. So what was this telling us? That is how many of this box will get inside this box. To solve this problem, we need to find the volume of this big box and divide it by the volume of this small box. So let's go. So now the volume of the box divided by the volume of the cubes. So the formula to calculate for a volume of a square is L cube. So let's give our box a capital L. L multiplied by capital L multiplied by capital L. So the cube, let's give it a small l. So this will be L times L times L. So this will be 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter multiplied by 12 centimeter, all divided by 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter multiplied by 2 centimeter. So all these centimeter will cancel, so there will be no SI unit in our answer. So 2 here is 1, 2 here is 6, 2 here is 1, 2 here is 6, 2 here is 1, and 2 here is 6. So this will be equals to 6 multiplied by 6 multiplied by 6, which will give us 206. So the correct answer to this question is C. Thanks for watching, guys.